What's up guys, I'm back and this is another video. I ordered some white LED bulbs that will replace my plate lights and my trunk light and my dome light inside Scarlett from the stock yellow halogen, I don't even know if it's halogen, lights to more energy efficient LED lights. When I got the order from Lazada, I headed straight to Mazda Pasig and asked the technicians there to install it just to make sure that I won't hit anything electrical and void my warranty. The thing is, when I went to Mazda Pasig, I didn't really have my gear with me, so I only had my camera phone, and I thought that it's a good video to make. It's a teachable moment because a lot of people are also thinking of changing their lights, hence this video. Let's get right on to the install process already. I'm just going to share with you how it's going to be installed. It's pretty straightforward, pretty easy, and pretty quick, but you know me, I just want to make sure. Let's head on to Mazda Pasig now. Ayan, hindi ko lang alam kung alin dyan yung pwede. I guess yan yun. Oo, tama yan. Just a straightforward process. This one works, just it's a little bit of a tight fix, but it works. Ano lang din siya, no? Pop out lang, no?
Pwede na.
Sige, lagay mo na. Nagre-record na eh. Mataba?
Masyado siyang malapad, sir.
Ah, hindi pwede? Ah, ayun. Okay. Okay na.
Side lang, sir.
Okay lang yun. Mas maliwanag pa rin kahit na ganyan eh. Oh, so this one also works. So now we have white LED lights, a little bit of rice bling, but still effective and works. Okay. Okay na. Kabit na natin.
Bali, sir, nakaganyan siya ng konti. Hindi siya nakaganyan.
Ah, sige, patingin nga kung ano yung tsura.
Ay, hindi yung ano po, yung
LED. Ay, okay lang yan, okay lang yan. Oo. Kala ko nakausli ng konti yung ano yung cover. Yun. Oh, okay na, okay yan. Maliwanag pa din. Peanut bulb nga.
Peanut bulb yung power.
May kasama peanut bulb yun eh, no?
Okay.
Ah, pwede. Alright, milaw. Ayos. So Scarlett now has white LED plate lights and trunk lights and interior light. And there you have it, everyone. That's how you replace the trunk light to LEDs, the plate lights to LEDs, and the dome lights to LED lights as well. So right now Scarlett is rocking all white lights, aside from the headlights, of course. Now I have the dome light, the trunk light, and the plate lights as well. So it's a straightforward install. Just make sure you have the proper LED bulbs ordered, just to make sure that it will work. Anyway, that's another quick install, guys. Another Scarlett Miata mod, it's a cosmetic mod. Hope you like the videos, guys. I'll just keep them coming. Every week we're gonna have mods, we're gonna have rides, we're gonna have advice, we're gonna have a lot of stuff that we're gonna do. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for more of these goodies. You know, I'm Reagan, and yeah, just continue living life. See you again soon. Bye bye.